So this one is a fridge from Dolce Gabbana. It's manufactured by SMEC. It's only 100 refrigerators like that in the world. It's only $65,000. It's handmade. Walnut presents a trendy new color, call it fabric. If you pay attention, it looks actually like a fabric. So some people who come here, they touch it, they don't understand if it's actually fabric or something else. But it's a textured laminate, and you can feel the texture. It doesn't leave any fingerprints. It looks very nice and sleek. It matches to any environment. New pantry color. It is spice rack, but very tall spice rack. Very nice new pantry. Quartz stainless steel interior color for the pantry. Glass sides for all pullouts. Square railing for reinforcement of the drawers. Of closet everywhere. Refrigerator from Liebherr, which is hidden behind the panels. So you can integrate any fridge behind our panel. Just basic cabinet from us. Interior drawer. Fully extendable hinge. Soft closet. Special cabinet for trash. Different accessories for your only cleaning supply. Soft closet.